Morning, afternoon, evening. Today we are going to learn how to turn text to images. I will be showing tricks on how to write amazing prompts. Please relax and watch the video to the end. Like, subscribe, drop, comment, and share this video to friends and family. In this video, we are going to learn how to generate 3D images using Microsoft Bing. First, open any browser of your choice. Type in Bing Images Creator. Click on the first hyperlink. It will open here. Type in your prompt. After that, click on Create and wait for some time. Images will be generated. Thank you for watching Ropenga_VFX. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Here is the amazing images generated. Now download them. Click on the three dots and click on Download. Repeat the same process to generate images. Give me thumbs up if you think this helpful.